In this video, I want to talk about the new project that I plan to work on for the next few months, but hopefully for the next few years, if not for the rest of my life. It's been a while since I've been this excited about a project, and I want to share 3 key things to keep this video as succinct as possible. 1, my vision and mission. 2, how OpenClinTech will work. And 3, what to expect next. So I've been refining my vision and mission for the last few years, so hopefully this one will stick for a while. But I suspect there's probably going to be changes over the years as time goes on. So my vision is to connect the world's healthcare data, and my mission is to train the next generation of biomedical informaticians. I have a few values, one of which is universally accessible and also fundamentally important to how I'm approaching OpenClinTech. I have a few other values that I hold myself to, and if you'd like to read more, please check them out on my website. So in order to fulfill my vision and mission, I'm launching a new project, entity, initiative, whatever you want to call it, called OpenClinTech. Essentially, the goal is to help train individuals, primarily clinicians, that are interested in leveraging technology to solve complex healthcare problems. Hence, ClinTech. The open part of the name stems from my value of making education as universally accessible as possible, where the vast majority of everything I create will be available as public YouTube videos and public open source GitHub repositories. Anyone that is watching, you're more than welcome to repurpose the videos for any reason you like to help with educational efforts. But as a courtesy, I'd appreciate any attributions if you do so. Secondly, I'll also be sharing a lot of technical tutorials that you can download like Code Labs that will allow you to follow along and get hands-on experience for those of you who are more interested in the nitty-gritty of things. Those will all be publicly accessible via the public GitHub repository for OpenClinTech. Lastly, because I know there is a large audience that have employers that offer tuition reimbursement, but usually require some sort of certification or certificate, I'm planning to also build out a course on a learning management system, or LMS, that will include the exact same content from YouTube and GitHub, but also have various assessments like quizzes and exams, learning methods, and a certificate at the end. All right, as for what's next, I'll be spending the vast majority of my evenings, weekends, and holidays planning for creating content for OpenClinTech. I also do plan on also dropping many of my other side projects so I can solely focus on delivering the highest quality education I can. Granted, one of my other values is bias for action, and because of this, I plan to approach content creation from more of a startup mentality where I place a high priority on execution. The first batch of content likely won't be the best production quality, but I plan to iterate on it over time, and especially as I receive feedback from all of you about what could be improved. I believe that wraps up this video, and if you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll see the content come through. I also have 2 main newsletters, one that is more focused on my personal journey, which you'll find on my website and LinkedIn, but also another newsletter on OpenClinTech that will be solely dedicated to any updates about the content itself. Lastly, if you'd like to support me like any other YouTuber, just like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
People knew her by